Powerhouse. We are in Lakeway, Texas. How about it? Where are we going?
We are going to see Ashley with Love and Cookies.
Ashley's story comes from a place of love and with her family, and particularly her son.
When Charlie was 5 years old, he got really sick. Initially, he was misdiagnosed. Somebody had mentioned to us Kawasaki's disease. And I'm at the hospital with Charlie getting this echo done. The doctor comes in and says, essentially, he was trying to go into mild heart failure. And he was treated with IVIG for about 2.5 days. When he got up that next morning after we finally home, he said, I just want to bake cookies with Mommy.
They want to see just how easy it is that we can bake cookies at home. So do you think you guys can show them? Each of you put 4 dough balls out on the plate.
Can I just eat the dough balls?
No. What's your favorite flavor?
Probably the Charlie Cash.
We're gonna pop those in the oven. 16 minutes.
HEB's Quest for Texas Fest is a life-changing experience. We were a top 10 finalist till the end of June, and then we competed against the other top 10 finalists, and we wound up winning first place. To have a company like HEB believe in us, believe in our product, is just unbelievable that they would choose us.
This is what Ashley's meant to do. She is her very best self, and it's had a positive impact on the family and the kids.
You guys are encouraging so many people. That's exactly what HEB is all about. It's about making the most out of certain situations that others would possibly run from. So kudos to you all. And I'm not just saying it because you're a great cook. I'm not saying it because you're a great cook.